Hi friends, I am super excited to tell you this. For New Year's 2014, I got the American Girl doll 2014. And this is what I got for New Year's. I got this when I first Isabella. It's a softball set that I got from my other friends right here. Molly, Sajan, Josefina. And this is the pink helmet. That is my helmet. Little tiny helmet. Oh, I can balance it. Yay. And I have my badges, as you see. And these are little tiny
Cleats.
cleats. And they're like soccer too because they have these little thingies. And this is the other one. And this is my boom. And this is my ball. Boom! You catched it. And this is socks. I hope it's not stinky stuff. And this is my brand new shorts. You like them? And they're so white. And this is my shirt that says softball American Girl number 2. And that's what I got. Oh, and I got a pins for my bracelet for softball. And that's what I got. The softball says for not for. I got a dancer, not this. This is Isabella's wrap sweater. Now let's open this. This is so small. And it has a cool dance school symbol of her dance class. And it's my favorite color. Oh, and I got this for the starter pack. These clothes in the bag and these 3 books and stuff for the pajamas. And this is Isabella's dance. This is a pretty skirt that is pink, blue, and green. My pretty skirts. And there's a bow, and there's a bow.
It has green? You said green?
Yeah.
Isn't it just purple and pink?
No, it's green and blue and pink. And that's for the skirt for Isabella. Isa. Isabella's leg warmers. This is a Tall Lake Warriors. It's all pink. And this is a small one that is gray. And it's like water stick. And these are stockings that are pink, my favorite color. And they're so small, I don't know how they fit. I guess I gotta switch them. And that's for the leg warmers. And this is Isabella's purple
Leotard.
leotard. And it has a pretty golden design, and it's my favorite color, purple. And it's for dance class. Black common dance. This is Isabella's kitten. I'm running to you. I'm your favorite pet. Her name is Tutu. So funny. And I'm running to you to show you my tag. It's all silver, you see. Now you get in there, catch. And this is Isabella's accessories. And this is a cool jacket that she wears. And it says Heart Dance Community, I think. And these are little tiny gloves. These are little tiny gloves. They're pink. This is a cool hair clip. It's very beautiful. It's a flower. And this is my golden purse. You like it? It's gold. And it's sparkling.
There was something else in there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. And is my little ID. I put it in my pocket. And what else? This is my bus pass. It's very small and I always wanted it. So let me go in that bus. And this is the last one. And this is the last one. This is Isabella's bag for her dance class. Now I'm going to show you what's in here. Okay. These are nice stickers to decorate. And this is to make a bun. And these are little shoes. And these are my wood rules. My wood rules.
Hair ties.
Hair ties. And I I use. And these are headbands. There is silver and glitter, gold and glitter, and pink. This is my favorite. Gold and glitter, because it's gold. And that's it. And this is an exciting one. The best part of New Year's present of American Girl. It is the new doll, Isabella. She's a dancer. and I love her shoes are golden and glittery. And she is the new doll for 2014. And I love the dance thing right here. And that's it. This is Isabella. This is what I got for New Year's.
Oh, show them the free shirt you got.
Oh, and these are other stuff that I got. These are new free shirts that I got for Isabella. Say Isabella. Isabella. And I got the other books. The one right there, number 2 of Isabella.
Oh, you showing them number 1, Mama. The one on that's number 1.
Oh. The third one and the second one. This is the one that's second. And bye. Bye. I hope you come for next year and see what's the 2015 doodle. Bye. Happy New Year.